Hey baby girls, come along with me whilst I perform a luxury facial and foot and leg massage on my beautiful friend Alex. I start off by cleansing the eyes with an eye makeup remover. Then I cleanse the skin using Queso's rebalancing cleanser. I wash away all the cleanser using warm water and sponges. Then I apply my second step of cleanser. This is to ensure the skin is fully free from any oils and impurities. Using a fresh bowl of clean water, I wipe away the residue. The skin is now prepped for the exfoliator. I like to use rose water on a cotton pad to cover the eyes whilst I perform a foot and leg massage. Using medium pressure, I use effleurage, pestissage and friction movements to create a relaxing massage to reduce tension and relax the muscles. Now that the foot and leg massage is finished, with clean hands I remove the cotton pads and begin a more vigorous exfoliation using my silicone exfoliating pad. I then like to use my hands to get into the smaller areas the silicone pad is too bulky for. Using fresh water, I remove the exfoliator. I then like to tone the skin. This also ensures I have removed all traces of the exfoliator. Alex's skin is now prepped for the face mask. Again, I cover the eyes using some rose water and cotton pads. Whilst the mask is hydrating and plumping Alex's skin, I'll perform the second half of the foot and leg massage. Using warm water and sponges, the mask is now ready to be removed. You can now start to see Alex's skin is looking so much more hydrated and glowy. So I'm just going to tone the skin one final time. I'm now going to use a tissue and blot the skin dry in preparation for the vitamin C serum. This vitamin C serum boosts elasticity and helps improve the appearance of dark spots and pigmentation. Lastly, I use a facial oil to perform a relaxing facial massage. This is to increase circulation by stimulating lymphatic draining to remove toxins and to try and prevent the skin from aging. To finish the skin, I spritz with some rose water to awaken and freshen the skin. Thanks so much for watching my luxury facial with a leg and foot massage. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!